Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jeanette with Jeanette's Reviews, and today I have another Gwynnie Bee. I decided to, after my 30-day free trial, to go ahead and sign up for another month, and upped my items from 2 at a time to 3 at a time. So here it came in a nice little box. Gwynnie Bee is an online rental service. You go on, sign up, you look through their closet and find clothing that you like, and you find it in your size and put it in your closet. And once you have so many items in your closet, they'll ship you out the first 2. You can wear them as long as you want. You can wear them one time, send them back. They give you a prepaid mailer in every box, and you just put the items that you no longer want to wear back in the envelope, send it back. As soon as they get notification that it's on its way to them, they'll pick 2 more or 3 more depending on your plan and ship them out to you. You don't have to worry about dry cleaning. They take care of all that, which is really nice. You just wear them, ship them. So in this box, I had closeted 3 different items, and the first item was a dress by Leota, and it is a sweetheart collar, neckline, kind of with the faux wrap here. It's a really stretchy nylon material. Now, Gwynnie Bee has all sizes from extra small up to 3X, so hundreds of items to choose from. It's just really a great service. The thing I love about it is that for what you would pay for the subscription a month, be it 2 items at a time or 3, 2 items at a time is about $70 a month. You couldn't buy one dress probably for $70 a month, and then you would have it in your closet constantly. You might get sick of it. You might have bought it for just one event. And never really wear it again. It's kind of a waste, or just goes out of style. This way you are always turning over your wardrobe without getting sick and tired of the pieces. And if you really like the pieces, you can go ahead and purchase them at a discounted rate and just keep it at home. So I'm going to try that dress. And the other dress that I had sent to me is by Unique Vintage. It's in a size large. And this is a heavier dress. It has a 3/4 length sleeve with a little tie detail. Has a unique collar that kind of sets off to one side here. The back has this detail. It's a zip back, and has the little detail here. No pockets. This is a substantially stretchy, thick material, so it's definitely more for fall. It has the little pleats in the back here at the very bottom. Nothing in the front. It's just straight in the front sheath dress. And so we're going to try that one. And then I had closeted this jacket. I had seen it and really thought the color was pretty. Now that I've taken it out of the box, I'm not so sure if it's my style, but we'll try it anyway. It is a bit, it's a pretty color, and it's the velvet. Sleeves up close, I mean, this thing is thick, so it's gonna be really warm. It's not something you wear in the office all day. It's more for just when you're going in and out from outdoors. I think it'd be pretty hot to wear this all day long. It's pretty thick and it's lined, so it's definitely a jacket. This is a little Michael Jackson-y to me. I didn't realize it was so puffy now that it's here. But, you know, we'll see if we can rock this one. Why not? But, so I'll try these items on and I'll be right back. And if you're new to my channel and you like these type of unboxing videos, please subscribe below, hit the bell, and you'll get notifications of my upcoming videos when they're posted. And I also do have a promo code that I will link in the description box down below with these items and what they were, what they would run if you bought them. And you could try Gwynnie Bee for a month free yourself. You could closet as many as 10 to 12 items in that month and wear them. So that's almost $1,000 worth of clothes in a month. And also there'll be a code for $10 off your first paid month if you decide to stick with them for another month and keep trying the service. So anyway, let me try these on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the first dress, and this is the Leota in navy, nice and stretchy. I really like this one. I like the sweetheart neck detail. You could always pin it if you needed to, if you were gonna wear it to the office, if you felt this was too low. I don't know, I think it's fine. I like the sleeve details, little cap sleeves. I like where the length hits me. This is just a really cute, fun, flirty dress. I'm gonna try on the other ones and I'll be right back. This one did not have any pockets and it's not lined, but it's nice and flowy, it doesn't cling. And this next dress is the Uniquely Vintage sheath dress. I like how the collar is. Sleeves, this is a bit tight. It is a stretchy material, but it fits very form-fitting. So much so that the zipper is, the dress is not too tight, but the zipper is very difficult to get up myself. I got to a certain point and it just will not go. So I would need help with the zipper. I'm not going to try to because I am home here by myself and I do not want to be trapped in the dress. And you know, there's nothing like that feeling of being trapped in some clothing. But I do like the stretchy material and the color. It's a very pretty dress for office, you know, wearing to the office. I really like that detail too. So now here is the jacket. And this one is by International Concepts, and it's a OX, so I'm having a feeling it's going to be a little big too. Yeah, I don't know about this. This is just not my style. Just from the photos online, I thought it was a little more form-fitting of a jacket. It's not super huge, but I don't know, it's just not my style. I feel like it's something from the 80s. I think it was this detail when I took it out of the box. I wasn't expecting that, and something about it just makes it feel dated to me. So this one's gonna be going back today. So they'll send me out another item as soon as I get notification that I've sent it back. But give it a try, Gwynnie Bee. Turn over your wardrobe constantly. Never have the same things in your closet that you get sick of. And you know, it's trendy. You stay up with the trends. So when something's going out of style, they're not, you know, supplying it anymore. They're constantly getting new items. Every day they're getting new items. So you can go online and closet for fall. They've got all their fall stuff coming out. And just give it a try. It's a lot of fun. And 1 month free, you can't beat it. Y'all take care. Stay tuned because I do have a stitch fix that came on my porch yesterday. It is an all dress fix that I've challenged them. I have a wedding at the end of the month, so I'm looking for just the right dress, and we'll see if they were able to hit the note.